Everyone would have seen a lot of videos on biohacking. So what is actually a biohacking is? Guys, biohacking is what you do monitoring, you take supplements, you keep on your diets properly, you do fasting and everything on your own. You hack your own biology. That is what is biohacking is all about. So if you monitor your weight, you monitor your energy levels, you monitor your calorie, everything is done once you get a full knowledge of that thing. So biohacking can be done. It is actually a do-it-yourself program where you biohack your body to enhance your performance in every aspects. So this is biohacking, and there are a lot of aspects that includes in biohacking.
And I invite you to leave a comment if you would like to delve deeper into biohacking. Your feedback will inspire me to do an extended version of this video where I'll be covering about hacks for biohacking and much more. And thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to stay tuned for upcoming contents.